And today, what I'm going to be doing, even though I'm outside, because it's summertime and summer always makes me feel like being outside in the sunshine, today I'm going to be doing some making of homemade medicine. So, the ingredients that I've got is 3, okay, I'll just pull them out. The ingredients I've got is 3 big lemons, then 12 ounces, this is 12 ounces, so basically 2 onions, 2 big onions, a red one, a white one, then 10 ounces of ginger, and then also 10 ounces of garlic. And I've also got some honey. I've soaked my garlic in water and then it makes it easier to be able to peel it. As you can see already, it's like already coming off. All of these have something in common. First of all, they're all really good for our bodies. And second of all, the garlic is good for coughs and colds and like clearing the throat. This is ginger, not garlic. I get muddled up with lots of things, like with different things, because I get muddled up with garlic and ginger. And then lemon is also good for coughs and colds, and it has good vitamin C in it, vitamin C in it, and vitamin C is good for our bodies. Honey is good for coughs and colds. Onions are good for coughs and colds, and so is the garlic. They're all good for coughs and colds, and they're all good for our bodies. So what we do is we cut them up, the ginger up, and we're going to put it in, we're going to put them in the blender, and we need to get the juice out of it. And please, please, please don't add water in it. All we need is the juice from our ingredients. Please be careful with a knife, because cutting like this can be a bit dangerous because you can cut yourself. You can peel it if you'd like this, then throw away the rubbish. You can just peel it. But as I've washed mine, then I don't really like peeling them. I just cut it up and put it in the bowl. I find it much easier to peel the garlic when it's been soaked in water. Some people find it very hard to peel these when they haven't been soaked, when they just straight and then they don't soak them. I soak these for like 3 to 4 hours, and then they get like, you might feel like, because they might feel a bit soggy, but that's the way they're good, because they're good to be peeled like that. Sorry, I'm in the sun because we get sunshine very rarely here in England, so I just decided to be in the sun instead of in the kitchen. I am going to have to go in the kitchen to do some things to do with the medicine, but otherwise I prefer it out here. These are all good for your body immune system, and in COVID, it's good because like it's not really a medicine for COVID. It's not really a treatment for COVID, but it's like it can sort of help with COVID. It can make it less worse than very horrible like COVID can be. So yeah. And also it's good with social distancing, because it makes your breath like smell garlicky, and so people will just try and stay away from you, and so it's good for social distancing as well. I'm in my kitchen now, as you can see, and now I have chopped all of my onions, and I've juiced my lemons, and I've also finished peeling my garlic and cutting my ginger. So I've got everything here. My onions, garlic and ginger are in here in my lovely bowl, as you can see. And then I've got 1 cup and a quarter. It's the juice of my 3 lemons. So then we're going to be adding our honey in last of all, because we'd like our syrup to come first, and then we're going to add our honey. And we're adding the honey, first of all, because it is good for you, and second of all, so it's not too really strong. The medicine isn't too strong. It's also a bit calmer and a bit sweeter. Okay, now I'm going to blend my medicine ingredients. Look how it looks like. But please don't put water in it, because the syrup that is in it is enough. And also putting the lemon in, that is also enough. I'm here outside again. So I'm just squeezing out the liquid in my mixture, but this is how it looks like before I've put the lemon in. So this is what I've got out of my mixture, and this is what I've got without any lemon and without any water at all. No water at all. This, it's optional. You can throw it away or use it to marinate your food, like giving flavouring to your meat or some of your food. So basically you leave your maybe chicken in it for like maybe a day or night, and then you take it out and then it will have flavouring. Mostly when you barbecue it. It is yummy. Mwah! Anyway, we're not on that, we're on the medicine. So next I'm going to add my 1 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 3 lemons. Need to be careful not to spill it, because they're nice, big, fat, juicy lemons. Okay. Mix it well. This is how it looks like. Very brown. So what we need to do is put it in the pot, and the honey, you use the honey when you are serving yourself. This is what I've got out. More than enough medicine. So I normally have this much, which is on the big side. I normally have 5 mils. And then my baby brother normally has this much here, which is just 2.5 mils. So this is how we do it. We need to get some in here. We don't fill it up though to the brim. Then we need to get some honey. And then put that in. Put a little bit of honey. Sorry, I have put a lot. But then it just needs to be full like that with honey and the medicine, just like that. And then you have it. You need to have eaten something, because it can be a bit strong and burn in your tummy. So sometimes you need to drink some water after having the medicine. So I hope you've enjoyed my YouTube channel today. So please remember to smash the like button and to hit the subscribe button. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye! So please share, please share, so that you all know how to do these medicines and to be able to be better. So we need to help each other. So please share them, and I hope you'll enjoy my next videos. Hope that will help you, as it's been helping in my family. Bye! Mwah!